Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you're here, and if you are not new, welcome back. Happy Friday, guys. I'm filming this Friday afternoon, and this is going to be up for you guys on my channel today. So happy Friday. I hope everyone has had a productive week, because I know I did, and I want to tell you guys how my week went and just kind of give you an update. So if you watched my last video, it was, I don't know, it was a video of me just kind of explaining to you guys and just being honest and transparent on where I was and how I was feeling and where my weight was and just how I got to that place and how I fixed it, or explaining to you guys what I plan to do to get out of that plateau. So I am in such a better mood today. I had a really productive week. I got lots of work done. I worked out. I did a 36-hour fast, and it's been a great week. So I'm here to share with you guys what I did this week, how I was able to break my plateau, and show you guys how much weight I lost. I'm gonna link my previous video right here for you guys. So if you haven't watched this video yet, watch this video and then come back to this video, because this is sort of like a part 2. So I told you guys that I had a schedule planned out for the weekday this week, and I'm gonna show you guys right here what that looked like. So as you guys can see, it said Monday I was going to do a 24-hour fast. Tuesday I was going to have a keto day. Wednesday and Thursday I was going to fast, and then Friday, which is today, I was going to have a keto day. So a lot of you guys sent me DMs, wrote me comments, and I will say there's a positive and a negative to that. So the positive is that I got so many great tips and just a lot of encouragement from you guys. You guys shared so many like videos and channels that you guys personally loved, and a lot of them I've never even, I don't even know who they are, and I greatly appreciate that. You guys also sent me different methods and different things that you guys recommended to kind of break my plateau, and I really appreciate that. I read every single comment and I got every single DM on Instagram. So that, all of the encouragement and all of the tips and YouTube channels and Instagram pages that you guys sent me, I really looked at everything and watched everything that I could watch and read, and it just kind of like, I just soaked everything up. Recipes, techniques, fasting, how to do keto, carb cycling, just different things and different ways of eating. Anyway, that was the positive, that was the pro. It helped me this week, it really did. And the negative to that was I was so overwhelmed. And even though I read everyone's comment and DM, I didn't have a chance to respond back to a lot of you guys, because I'm not gonna lie, I got super overwhelmed, because I had 100 people telling me I should do 100 different things, carb cycling, don't do keto, you shouldn't fast, you should fast, you should do a 3-day fast, I don't think fasting is the right thing to do, I think you should stick to your keto, work out, all you have to do is walk. It was just a lot, guys, and even though that it was really overwhelming, it was also very encouraging. And there's only so much time in one day for me to do things, and I only have one body, so it was hard, because I honestly thought a lot of these things were the best way to do things, but obviously I only have one body and there's only 24 hours in a day, and I just couldn't do everything. But I really appreciate everyone's comments. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I did, or tell you guys what I did. I did try to record a little bit. I started recording on Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday and today, Friday, I just like didn't pick up the camera. So I'm gonna show a little bit of footage on Monday. Monday I did a fast, and I planned on just doing a 24-hour fast, but I ended up doing a 36-hour fast, which was amazing. And it did me good. It really did. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, I know I said I planned to fast for the 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, but I just did straight keto. I gave myself a calorie amount to reach, and I sort of did like a calorie deficit, because I know that keto and doing a calorie deficit really helps me lose weight. So that's what I did. So on Monday I did fast. I went 36 hours, and Tuesday I just had a full keto day. Wednesday I also had a normal keto day, and yesterday I did a keto day, but I did incorporate exercise. I worked out 2 times at home. As you guys know, everything seems to be going back to like the yellow and red phase now, here in the US, well, at least here in Pennsylvania. And a lot of things are they're not closing yet, but a lot of things are closing early. I hear that there's things at the stores that are running out again. So I'm personally just really scared to go to the gym again. I know I did go to the gym maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 times during the whole quarantine COVID pandemic, but I am really scared to go to the gym. So anyways, I worked out from home. I only worked out twice. The first day was sort of just like a stretch, no jumping kind of day, because I still wasn't like super motivated to work out, but I told myself I had to do something. So I worked out for 30 minutes, and I burned 100 calories in 30 minutes with just stretching and just basic easier upper body workouts. And then the second day I worked out, which was yesterday, I worked out for 30 minutes, and I burnt about 250 calories. I did jump right into HIIT yesterday, but it was worth it. My body is really sore today, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you guys how much I weighed. I weighed in the beginning of the week, and then I'm gonna show you guys how much I weigh today. Right now, I'm gonna go downstairs and weigh myself for you guys. So yeah, so this video really is gonna be short, and I just want to thank everyone as well, because I truly believe that I just needed that little bit, actually not little bit, I needed your encouragement and your kind words to just kind of give me that extra boost, and just to kind of remind myself that, you know, I need to get the ball rolling. It is nice to know that I'm not in this alone. I have so many of you guys that truly care about me. I mean, I had over 10 people on Instagram, like literally writing me paragraphs and paragraphs and paragraphs, because they had just watched my video and they wanted to give me tips and some useful, you know, information that helped them. And I really appreciate all of you guys. So I even had several of you guys email me, which is crazy because I have my email on every video, but it's like at the very, very bottom. So for you guys to really care and to find my email to email me, that just truly means a lot. So I want to thank you guys so much for your encouragement, your words, because it really has helped. And honestly, I think sometimes that's just what you need. You know, that's what I needed. I needed you guys to say, hey Kim, like, come on, you need to do it. You need to like get your butt up and do something about it. So that's what you guys did, and I appreciate it. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of footage on what I recorded, and then at the end I'm gonna show you guys my before weight and my after weight. So I'm gonna end this video of me talking here. Enjoy the little bits of clips that I did record for you guys. All right guys, enjoy this little bit of clips that I have that I recorded for you guys throughout the week, and then keep watching to see my before weight on Monday and then my after weight. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, for supporting me, and yeah, thank you guys. All right guys, this is my starting weight. So 163.4, 46.9% water weight, 31.3% muscle mass, and 32.4% body fat. So, okay, we got this. Okay guys, so it's about 3 o'clock now, and I am about 15 hours into my fast. My body is now in ketosis. So when I click that, it says your body is starting to break down and burn fat. So that is awesome. That is the goal. So hopefully I can finish today out with a bang. So I just wanted to update you guys. Hey guys, I wanted to give you guys an update. It is 10:21 p.m. and I wanted to show you guys where I am with my fast before my phone dies. So I'm 22 hours into my fast. That is ketosis. My body has been in ketosis, and that is heavy ketosis. So my body has been in heavy ketosis. So it is burning fat as I speak. So I'm so happy that I've almost made it. And it's almost been 24 hours. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday. I'm still going strong on my fast. I know I said I was gonna do 24 hours, but once that 24-hour mark hit, I was like, you know what? Let me just keep going until I can't anymore. So it's 12 o'clock. It's in the afternoon. It's the next day. Let me see how long I've been doing this. Yeah, 36 hours into it. So I don't know what I'm gonna have for my first meal. Who knows? Jamal just got Chipotle. I didn't want Chipotle because it just is really heavy. Even though it's really filling, it's really heavy in your stomach. So anyways, maybe I'll have some soup. I don't know. All right, I'll update you guys when I get home or when I eat something. Hey guys, so I am breaking my fast. I'm about 38 hours in and I'm having soup. It's Panera's chicken and wild rice soup. Yeah, I'm only having half of it, and on the container it says half of the container only has 260 calories and 17 grams of carbs. So it's not bad, but it's not the best. So anyways, I'm gonna have this because it's comforting. It's snowing outside, it's cold, so this is just really gonna it's just really gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and then I plan on having dinner hopefully before 5 p.m. So I will update you guys, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I have been drinking my coffee, and I've been drinking a lot of water. So that really is what's been keeping me full throughout this whole fast, is water and coffee. But yeah, I'm happy with my fast yesterday, and I'm really excited to have my soup. I put it in a bowl, so I'm excited. So in 5 days, I lost 3 pounds with just getting my body going again, kicking my body into ketosis and sticking to what I know, which is keto and low carb. And I lost 3 pounds in this week with just doing that. And without you guys and without your encouragement and kind words, I probably wouldn't have done this. So I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.